Are you facing a frustrating issue with Bing Maps in Chrome? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many developers encounter when upgrading to Bing Maps version 8.0. I totally understand how annoying it can be when your code throws an error, especially after an upgrade. It can feel like you're taking one step forward and two steps back. You're definitely not the only one experiencing this. Let's look at the specific issue at hand. One user, Rahul, recently upgraded from Bing Maps version 6.3 to version 8.0 and encountered an error stating, type Microsoft.Maps.Location is not a constructor when trying to create location points. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So, what could be causing this error? The issue arises because the way Bing Maps handles locations has changed in version 8.0. Understanding these changes is crucial for resolving the problem. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid similar issues in the future. To address the issue with the Microsoft.Maps.Location constructor, the user should first ensure that the Bing Maps v8.0 script is correctly included in their HTML file. This is crucial for the library to function properly. Next, the user should check if the callback function is defined. This function is essential for initializing the map and should be called once the Bing Maps script has loaded. After ensuring the script and callback are set up, the user should verify that the Microsoft.Maps.Location constructor is being called after the map has been initialized. This ensures that the library is fully loaded before creating locations. Finally, if the user continues to experience issues, they should check the browser console for any additional errors or warnings that might provide more context about the problem. Fun fact, did you know that Bing Maps was originally launched in 2005 as Virtual Earth? It has come a long way since then, but even the best tools can have hiccups. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the error occurs because the Microsoft.Maps namespace is being accessed before the map control script has fully loaded. To fix this, you should add a callback function to the script tag that loads the map control. This ensures your code waits until the map script is ready. Additionally, it's recommended to place the map script tag after your map load code. This way, if the page refreshes, the script will be cached and the callback function will execute immediately. Here's a pro tip. Always check the official documentation for the latest updates and changes when upgrading libraries. This can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the constructor error in Bing Maps. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. And remember to keep coding.